All right, guys. So I'm currently just looking at some markets here. I'm looking. Oh gosh, my hair. I'm looking at what is that? A USD JPY, and I am seeing. I mean, a little bit of a setup here. I can show you guys. So we have. There's this order block right here that's forming. Came up, tapped back into it, stayed up. We have a double validation area, came back, hit this. It might go for a short dip, but I'm hoping to kind of see this come back up to the top for a little run right here until it's red. So we'll see. This is currently on the 5 minute right here, but we'll see. So with most of my trades that I've been doing so far, I've usually been sticking with Euro USD, and so I want to try to like expand the pairs that I want to do, because if I look here, I have USD JPY. I'm trying to get into GP JPY, and then also AUD CAD. So AUD CAD, GDP JPY, USD JPY, and then Euro USD. Was that 4? Yeah, that's 4. I don't know why I was holding 3. 4. I feel like just having multiple pairs that you're like sort of watching, it will help you. Like, let's say one pair is not doing so good, or it's really volatile and you just can't figure out market structure, then you can move on to the next, and you just have these backup pairs that you can trade on. And so I feel like I gotta get more into that, because I've been staying more with just Euro USD, and I mean, that's fine. That's still like a good beginner type pair, but just having that range of different foreign currencies to trade on, I feel like will help. Okay, I was literally looking at my phone doing something really quick, and look at that. It stayed here for a little bit and instantly shot up. Jeez. Let's go. Let me just put a long position in here. Yeah, look at that. The risk to reward ratio 6.21. That is absolutely crazy, and it's still pushing. See, I told you there is this order block right here, came back, touched here, came back, tried to retest in this area consolidation, came back, and boom, instantly shot up. So that's all right. We'll see if this keeps pushing up, or is this is just the really strong push that it's having right now. But we'll see. All right, guys. That was pretty much the trade that I was talking to you about. It's unfortunate that I didn't enter a position on my account, but that's all right. We're just about learning and just learning how things are. This was a pretty straight shot up. This is on the 5 minute time frame. If I go to the 1 minute, that's still pretty nice shot up. But yeah, that's a pretty nice trade. A little unfortunate that I didn't take it, but I mean, that's all right. Sometimes it's just about watching the charts, just learning, and yeah, just seeing where they move. Obviously, you can see still having some movement, but oh well. All right, guys, here is a trade that I'm currently in. We were seeing this kind of a run down, and making our lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, change of character, double bottom right here. So I'm kind of seeing this maybe come up a little bit before making another run back down. So we'll see. You can see a pretty steady run down. So we'll see how this plays out. And this is on the 5-minute time frame. All right, guys, and the trade just took its exit. It did not go as I planned. Kind of stayed in this area of consolidation. Couldn't pick whether it wanted to go up or down, but didn't anticipate the trade, but that's all right. It happens sometimes. All right, guys. I'm taking this clip a few days after that last one. I was just so busy over the weekend, and then I got sick. I'm sick right now, so I'm not feeling the best. I haven't been trading like pretty much at all. I took one trade this morning, but that was about it. And so I've just been staying in bed rotting, but I can show you this one trade that I took. All right, so I kind of woke up seeing this huge bullish run up, and it kind of started flatlining right here. So I then decided to enter my trade somewhere around here. I'm not 100% sure. And then as you guys can see, there's this huge wick right here, right there, that. And so that just like completely, oh shoot, that just completely stopped me out. I had my entry right here, and then my stop loss kind of like right there, and that just completely wicked me out. And then it just kept going down. Didn't really go down. I had this little run down, but then it just kept flatlining for pretty much the rest of the day. But yeah, not the best trade. I didn't really plan this out so much. I kind of just saw it and just went for the trade. So that wasn't too smart of me, but some days are like that. Some days you just take no-brainer trades out of the pure chuckle of it, whatever. But yeah, like I said, I am sick. I'm not feeling the greatest, but I just gotta stay persistent and just keep putting in the work and everything. All right, guys, so still sick a little bit. I did enter in a trade here. I'll give you guys here a little analysis. Okay, so we kind of had this continuation run up, and then we had kind of this double top here. I'm thinking it might retrace back down to this order block before having a continuation back to the upside. So we'll see how this plays out. This is currently on the 1-minute time frame, but yeah, we'll see. All right, guys, I'm taking this video a little bit after that a trade that I took did not end up going so well. I guess market has some other plans. It was on this uptrend like I was talking about. Excuse me. And then it's kind of staying in this area of consolidation. It's not really picking where it wants to go, but yeah, I can show you guys. So as you can see right here, this was my trade that I took. I didn't get stopped out over here. I was looking at my account, and I got actually stopped out like right here for whatever reason. I don't understand why, but yeah, like I was talking about, it was in this uptrend. Jeez, excuse me. And then it's kind of staying in this whole area of consolidation right here. So we'll see what it wants to do from here.
A few moments later.
So my freaking car decides to stop working, so I have to replace this stupid alternator with this new one. And I gotta freaking disassemble the whole damn car. Okay, we finally got the alternator off. This is the old one, and then this is the new one. We have to take this whole front end off. So we finally got it off. Alright guys, so I finished cleaning my car. What am I saying? I finished fixing my car, and now I'm back at the charts while also doing homework, because gotta do homework. But yeah, I'm looking at the charts here, and I'm currently looking to take a trade. I can show you guys. Alright, so I'm currently looking at AUD CAD, and so the setup that I'm seeing is there is this order block right here, or a zone of liquidity, and I'm thinking that if this comes back up to here, and then I will enter a short position with my stop loss kind of set at the top of this, and then I'm thinking it could trace back down to any of these zones. The reason being, there's this huge uptrend, then a massive push down, hit this top, this area of liquidity, came back down, hit it again, started having a downtrend a little bit, and this uptrend again. So I may be thinking that it will want to hit this zone of liquidity once again before taking a run down to the bottom. So we'll see how this plays out, but yeah. Alright, so it looks like my analysis with this could have been wrong. I guess it didn't want to come back up to this zone that I was talking about. It might come up later, but I'm not 100% sure. Kind of formed this double top here, and then this break of structure, still in this area consolidation, and this is AUD CAD. So yeah.
The macro opens with relative equal lows right here on the lower time frame, while also being
TJR is goated,
bro.
bro.
It's fucking obvious where price wants to go. It's fucking obvious. And again, I could have held. It's not like
Also,
like
shout out to Nick.
and then blew the account.
I'm following you, bro.
But
I'm right behind you.
10K and then just lose
I'm with you on this journey, bro.
just like that.
Alright guys, here's a little trade setup that I have going on. This is on GDP, JPY. And so I'm kind of noticing this big pop up to the top for a liquidity grab, back to the bottom, then up top here in this consolidation area, and hopefully seeing it come back down here. I'm using the same size. Oops. The same size as this run to measure kind of my TP. And then my stop loss, I have it just above this order block right here. So we'll see how that goes.
2,000 years later.
It is currently the next day, and that trade that I was talking to you about did not end up going so well. I got stopped out, but yeah, it happens. It is what it is. Just gotta keep moving forward. I can show you guys though. All right, so here's the trade. Like I was talking to you about, it came up for liquidity grab, came back down, up again. So then I was thinking it stayed in this area of consolidation. It might come back down to hit this order block. but stayed in this area consolidation. I guess it tried to come down, kind of had a strong rejection, then came back off up, and then this is where it stopped me out. So yeah, this was a pretty big loss that I took. Given that, given that this is a 30-minute time frame, so my losses are going to be a little bit bigger. Off of this trade, I lost like 1,000, I think, but I could have won 6,000. But either way, it's okay. This is a demo account, but I still gotta keep that mentality that this could have been real money and that I could have lost a good amount of money. But I just gotta keep keep putting in the work, keep, just don't let something like this discourage me, because I know that if I keep putting in the work and keep trying, that things would eventually get better, and that I'll end up start making those big wins that I need to. So I need losses like this that will keep me going forward. And again, sorry for the horrible speaking. My voice is cracking like crazy. I'm still in the recovery phase, but yeah. Anyways. All right. Okay. I'm gonna end the video right here. I haven't posted in a while. My voice is still messed up like crazy. Holy crap, my voice cracking. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a bunch of little clips spread out throughout the day. What am I saying? Throughout the week. So, I hope this was somewhat entertaining. You guys could see some of my bigger losses that I had. But, yeah, this is just how the journey is. I'm going to be going through these moments where I'm just losing like crazy, like that last big one. And then there's gonna be some days where I'm just winning a lot, and I just gotta keep accepting those days, keep accepting the good ones, keep accepting the bad ones, and just like keep moving forward. That's something that I gotta just, stick with it. I gotta stick to God's plan. God always has a plan for me. God always, gotta have something that he knows that I'll be good at. Just, I gotta stay with it. Just keep putting in the work. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. You can like, subscribe. That can help me out a little bit. And please excuse my voice. Jeez, I'm voice cracking like crazy. Hold up. Okay, yeah, enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll hopefully catch you on the next one. Peace.